every new session, Claude forgets everything. All that context, gone. This is Claude Obsidian. It gives Claude a memory that compounds, like interest. Drop in any source. It gets read, linked, and filed into one connected knowledge graph where every node knows about every other node. Under the hood, it is just 3 plain files, a hot cache, an index, and your pages. No database, no lock-in, all readable Markdown that you own. Start the vault with one command. /wiki scaffolds everything, and your sources drop straight into place. At the end of a session, run /save. The whole conversation is filed as a clean note, and the page count ticks up. And it researches itself. Run /auto-research on any topic. It reads sources, links them, writes pages, and grows the graph on its own. 12 new pages, hands-free. One vault, 15 skills. Ingest, query, lint, retrieve, and a whole lot more.
So why Claude Obsidian? Hybrid retrieval lifts accuracy by 32%. 15 skills share one vault, and it is MIT licensed, free, and open source. Your second brain stays yours.
Install takes 2 lines. Add the plugin, open the vault in Obsidian, and you are set. It runs right inside Claude code. Claude Obsidian. Give Claude a second brain that never forgets. Grab it on GitHub and start compounding what you know today.